Wawp is a WooCommerce plugin that recovers abandoned carts, verifies orders, and runs WhatsApp, email, and SMS campaigns. And right now, lifetime access is available for only $49 instead of the $70 regular price. That's 30% off. Let's take a quick look. If you run a WooCommerce store, you already know the leaks. Shoppers abandoning carts, fake cash on delivery orders wasting your time, and no easy way to follow up without stitching together 5 different marketing plugins. That usually means paying for separate tools just to cover cart recovery, order verification, and campaigns. That's the gap Wawp is built to close. Right now on AppSumo, you can get lifetime access to Wawp starting at $49. Here's what you get. First, order verification. Block cash on delivery fraud and fake signups with one-time WhatsApp or SMS codes at checkout, restrict orders by country, and blacklist repeat offenders. You also get abandoned cart recovery with timed WhatsApp reminders and dynamic discount coupons to bring shoppers back, plus a dashboard showing every shopper's journey from first click to checkout. Wawp lets you run bulk WhatsApp and email campaigns to your full customer list or a targeted segment with delivery and open tracking so you can see what's actually landing. For store operations, you can trigger WhatsApp and email notifications on any order status change or new signup without writing code and route customer chat messages to multiple team members. Before you buy, there are a few important details to know. Wawp connects to your own self-hosted WordPress and WooCommerce environment, so setup errors can sometimes trace back to your server configuration, not the plugin itself. Based on reviews, documentation currently leans more developer-friendly than marketer-friendly, though the founder says step-by-step video guides are actively being rolled out. A couple of reviewers also reported slow or inconsistent support response times, so it's worth testing the setup process early rather than assuming it'll be plug and play. AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee covers the deal, so there's a safety net if it's not the right fit. So who is this deal for? If you run a WooCommerce store and want to consolidate cart recovery, order verification, and WhatsApp marketing into one plugin instead of paying for several, this is worth testing, especially if you're comfortable with some technical setup or have developer support on hand. I've added my link in the description below. Click it to check the current price and full deal details. If this deal breakdown helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more software deals and honest SaaS reviews every week.